Today you are watching the Squishy Squad. I am going to be giving you a tour of my fidget box. Probably part one, I have loads more. Here are all my squishies and fidgets. Lots. And lots. And lots. And lots. And lots. And lots of fidgets. So, where should I start? I have glow sticks. They don't even glow anymore, so I don't know why I have those. I can just like throw those out. More glow sticks. Don't think this one works either. A squishy. This is a cat squishy. Look how cute it is. Okay, I love this guy. I'm keeping. Keeping is on that side. Throwing away is on that side. Boop. So that's where I'm putting the glow sticks. I have, it's a ducky. Makes a noise, look. Yeah, I think I'm going to keep that. It's pretty cool. It's got a cute little face. Ducky. Then I've got this weird flamingo thingy. Squishy. It's a pretty good squishy, but it's like kind of weird. It looks like I cut it off somewhere. I think it might have come off a weird like pink cake with a face. That'll probably be somewhere up here or next time. And then I have this little fidget cube. I have never been able to solve this, so don't expect me to. I don't really need that. I'll put that over there. More glow sticks. This one's like a glow bracelet when you put them in the little thing, like that. So this one kind of works, but I still don't think I'm going to keep that. And there's a red glow stick. I think I'm going to keep that. It's quite cool. Another squishy. This guy's like cloudy, sort of. You see the clouds, the rainbow. This guy's so cute, but I have no idea what he is. Is it a cat or like little devil horns or something? Or is it just a blobby creature? I'm probably just going to go with blobby creature. Then I have this sort of LOL doll thing. It's really, really squishy, so I think I'm going to keep that. I might like do something with it in another video. Then I have this ice cream sort of poppet, but it's a bit broken over here. It's lost its stick and quite a lot of it, basically. It has a nice pop, really good pop. Okay, can you hear that? Can you hear that? Oh, it's so, yeah, I'm just keeping that good just for the pop. Then I have some mochis. I have one in a bag. I think this is a cat. Let me get it out. Okay, I got it. I don't need this bag. Mochi. I love mochis because they're so like stretchy. Yeah, this is a little kitty. It's a little thing. Yeah, it's so cute. I'm gonna keep that. I have another kitty. Pink one. Mochi. Squish, squish, squish. Okay, that's nice. And I have another starfish mochi, which I am also gonna keep just for like the squish, and it's so good. And I have this weird like smiggle thing. It's all bendy and nice. Yeah, this is quite nice. I think there's another half to it that might be in the next video. Put that over there. So far I've only got the little fidget cube thing and the glow sticks over here. Then I've got this kind of homemade balloon squishy with like crushed Orbeez and styrofoam balls inside. I'll probably cut that open actually. Yeah, I'm gonna cut that open soon. Just put that in the throwaway pile along with the other things. And then I have a pea popper which has one pea which I will pop. Yeah, that's broken. I'm throwing that away. Now Oh, I know this guy. I got this guy recently. He's so nice and squishy. Squish, squish. It's all like, you can hold onto this like loopy thing and then you just goes bounce, 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 bounce. Oh yeah, I'm keeping this guy. It's so good. And he's got this little squishy body, the little tentacly spaghetti things. Oh yeah, I'm keeping this guy. I also have this sort of ASMR fidget thing, which you fidget with, obviously. It's got like purple, orange, and green bits, which you have to like. Well, I don't think there's a way of solving it. You just need to like play around with it. Yeah, I really like this guy. I'm keeping. And then I have these sort of clay things where you can take like strips off them, and it's oh so good, so good. It's all squishy, nice. Oh yeah, I love clays. I'll be putting these in some slimes, maybe. I'm keeping all of these stuff in it. And that was part 1. See you next time from the Squishy Squad.